Hey, what's up YouTube? This is part 13 of the K20 swapped Integra, and I got my hybrid racing power steering kit on. So I mean, as you can see, got the high line and the low line. The low line comes basically to the oil cooler. That's right there, and then it comes back and then goes to the reserve. And then you got your main line that connects to your actual power steering pump to return. So I mean, that's basically it. It's a pretty simple kit. Everything that they give you is pretty good. So I got that going so far. Some people are kind of asking me questions on what you actually need to do a bar and smog. So basically, what your main thing is to have a returnless system. So a returnless system is basically just one line from the fuel tank, which comes to right here basically. Move that out the way. Which is basically right here. So it's just one line, one in. There's no basically returning of the fuel. So you have to run that with the RSX gas tank. And then you have to run this evap line, which is one out of the 4 sensors that you'll be running to the ECU to make sure your emissions actually goes through. So this actual line, I'm actually sure you go all the way back because I finally got it mounted up. So this line is going to go to the tank that's in the back. So let me take you to there and show you what that looks like. Alright, so now back here I got it mounted up. There's a sensor right here, sensor number 2, and then, well, there's actually 2 sensors right here. One right there, one right there, and then the other one is back here. That's the 3rd sensor. So you need all these 3 sensors back here to be hooked up, and you need the gas tank. So I got the straps made. I just have to do some of the plumbing because one of these lines have to go to the actual gas tank. So but basically, yeah, I got this all mounted up here. This is how it's gonna look. So, and then I got the straps made from JFab. Those came in pretty nice. So basically that's what you're gonna need. So like I said, the gas tank and those 4 sensors to actually to get this to pass smog. Also, you're gonna need the stock headers or run DCs since they're legal, and then the intake stock air box, or just run a DC like we're gonna be running because we kind of want to have some power when we're having a legit setup for bars. So stock is cool, but I mean, at least get a little bit more power while you can. Basically, that'll basically be it for this video. Like I said, I'm still waiting for some more parts. Axles are supposed to be coming in the next couple of days, and that's basically, I mean, it's almost ready. It's almost there. I just gotta, I mean, I'm not really putting a lot of things together just because of the maintenance parts. So once those come in, I can throw in the AC system, the lines. I'll show you how those run. I'll put my straps on for the gas tank after I run the lines back there, and then kind of basically just start finishing everything up. So you guys stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, ring that bell, like, comment, and see you guys later.